So Matt here again with Greensward. Got a couple warm days coming up, and I want to get some sun to my leaf blades here on the Xeon Zoysia. It's probably hard to tell, but there's a lot of green down there for middle of March, kind of where we're at right now. Technically, April 15th is kind of the date I used when I was at the club. It's starting to mow fairways and get the brown off, so to speak. You can probably see behind me a little bit. You see a little bit of the striping and where I mowed and where I haven't, but just getting a little antsy. I know we got some warm days coming up, and I really want this green color to pop. I'll show some video of us mowing, as well as some of the green that's down in there. Just taking roughly 3/4 to a ½ inch off, just to really get some sunlight to those green leaf blades that are coming out. So here we are. I'm going to try and zoom in and use the sun, but there's a lot of green down in there, and that's what we're excited for this time of year. We want that big ball of fire to find those green leaves and be able to get some sun to them, to be able to get it to perk up and get all the things that make it green. So this is a little bit of a close-up. Again, I'm not really scalping it, nothing crazy. Again, that 3/4 of an inch or so that you can see, maybe you can't, but here again, there's just a lot of green down in there, ready for springtime. Keep it green.